Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video I'm gonna show you where to rent one of the cheapest boat rides in New York City. Did you know New York City's Central Park is one of the most famous parks in the world? It's the first public park built in America and is one of the most frequently visited places. It has hundreds of attractions and one of the most scenic destinations is the lake. It offers variety of activities for the visitors and one of the most popular is the rowboating, which can be rented from April through October at the Low Boathouse at the northeast corner of the lake. Each rowboat costs only $20 to rent for 1 hour and can hold up to 4 people. So with a group of 4, it only costs as cheap as $5 per person. However, a $20 deposit is required, which is paid back when the boat is returned. Life jackets are mandatory for children while it's optional for adults. Around the lake, you can see places as diverse as the Bethesda Terrace, the Low Boathouse, and the Bow Bridge. You will also enjoy the fauna, which includes ducks and family of turtles. As you glide under the Bow Bridge, you will admire the skyline over Fifth Avenue. The Bow Bridge is one of the most iconic and photographed destinations in Central Park. Around the lake, there are many boat landing spots. This particular one is called the Wagner Cove Boat Landing. Renting boat at the Lake of Central Park was one of the best choices I have made. Do your own research and experience it yourself. You will not regret it. If you like my video, don't forget to give it a thumb up and stay connected with me to watch more New York attractions.